Let's explore an area called 6 Mile Reef, which is located to the southwest of the mouth of the Connecticut River. We begin our flight from the south, flying over Long Island. To the southwest of the map is Yukon Central Long Island Sound data buoy. Our subsea flight path will be the blue line tracing over the multi-beam sonar map. The colors of the map indicate the depth of the water, with blue representing deeper areas and orange the shallowest parts of the reef. This is a physically dynamic area of the seafloor, being impacted by tidal and storm currents that move the sand about, creating large north-south running sand waves seen on the map. In the window you can see video taken by NERC's remotely operated vehicle, ROV. The video clearly shows smaller ripples formed on top of the larger sand waves. The two red dots are laser beams that provide a 20 centimeter scale. Small pockets of loose, tan-colored organic matter accumulate in the small troughs. The current can be seen sweeping over the steep-walled sand wave. This close-up shows how dynamic this area is, with the sand moving in the tidal currents. Moving west, larger sand wave features can be seen to the north in shallower water. Each of these waves is about 50 to 60 meters across, indicating that very strong currents were responsible for their formation. The north-south orientation of the waves indicates that the currents were primarily east-west in direction. To the west you can see a flag that indicates the exact location of the dive conducted by NERC's ROV, seen here. In the video, we can see a winter flounder that is remarkably well adapted to living in this dynamic environment. Its flattened body form is very hydrodynamic and provides no resistance to the current. The flounder can perfectly camouflage itself to match the ever-changing sand. Similarly, the silver hake partially buries itself in the sand to avoid the current. A whelk generates slimy mucus to slide over the sandy bottom. Only 2 eye stalks provide a clue to a lady crab's hiding spot. Continuing our flight to the west, we can clearly see the range of sand wave features etched upon the seafloor. A shipwreck comes into view. Notice the scour marks are more pronounced on the west side, indicating the current is stronger from the east. This dominant current is also causing the sand waves to migrate westward. Completing our flight, we see a higher, irregularly shaped feature that interrupts the sand wave pattern. This is an area of hard bottom. As we pull away, we can see that this area of the sound is dominated by the dynamic sand wave features of varying sizes that present a challenging ecosystem for organisms to inhabit.